So our pancreas has endo and exocrine function, but we're going to lean into our endocrine function here as a reminder, and we're starting with our islet of Langerhans. These are scattered throughout the pancreas, and there's multiple cell types. Beta cells, or alpha cells, or B cells, or A cells secrete insulin and glucagon, respectively. Our D cells secrete somatostatin, and our PP, or our gamma cells, they produce pancreatic polypeptide, and we're going to look and define these hormones. Insulin is released from our beta cells or our B cells along with C-peptide, and then C-peptide is cleaved off of insulin prior to insulin being secreted from the pancreas. It's going to really promote absorption of glucose from the blood into liver, fat, and skeletal muscle cells. It's regulating the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, or macromolecules. We'll come back to this one. Somatostatin has some other names, growth hormone inhibiting hormone, somatotropin release inhibiting factor, and it can be produced in lots of areas. It can be produced in the central and peripheral nervous system, the gut, the pancreas, as mentioned here, and other organs. And its main function is to inhibit both exo and endocrine secretions. It inhibits neurotransmission and cellular proliferation, and it's going to inhibit and slow down GI motility. Glucagon is a peptide hormone produced by the pancreas and it's released in response to low blood sugar. It's inhibited by insulin, somatostatin, and secretin, and its goal is to increase glucose by promoting glycogenolysis and gluconeogenesis. And it's going to also inhibit liver's glycogenesis, or essentially creation of glycogen. And lastly, pancreatic polypeptide is synthesized and secreted by the PP cells, or sometimes known as F cells or gamma cells of the pancreas. And it's stimulated to be released by the vagus nerve, as well as after a protein-rich meal, when we're fasting, in a hypoglycemic state, or in under or during exercise. It's decreased by somatostatin or getting a big jolt of glucose, like IV glucose. And its job is to inhibit pancreatic exocrine secretion, decrease gallbladder contractility and gut mortality or gut motility. So really to try to kind of promote the endocrine functions of the pancreas and decrease the exocrine functions. We're going to stop here. When we come back, we're going to apply these pancreatic hormones to the process of metabolism.